Welcome. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to fix that you haven't set up purchase verification message in Play Store. Let's get started. If you're seeing this message, it means you haven't enabled a security feature in your Google Play Store that verifies your purchases. First, locate and open the Google Play Store app on your device. Once it's open, look for 3 stacked lines or a gear icon. This is how you access the menu in the Play Store. From there, you'll see a list of options. Scroll through them until you find Settings and tap on it. Within the Settings menu, you'll find various options related to your Play Store account. Locate and select User Controls, which houses settings related to your interactions with the Play Store. Within User Controls, you'll find an option labeled Purchase Verification. This is what we need to set up. Tap on it and you'll be directed to a page with a button that says Setup. Tap on Setup and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account password for security. After entering your password, tap Verify. This confirms your identity and enables purchase verification. That's it, you've successfully set up purchase verification. This will help protect your account from unauthorized purchases. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.